Hey guys. So before we even get into this whole video, I'm gonna just let you know that a lot of the pieces and information that's in this video got chopped out. Okay, because iPhone want to play with me talking about I ain't got no storage. So it kept stopping my videos and I was so upset because this cake came out so dope. Okay, it came out so dope. But let's jump into this video right now. I just got finished, mixing all my ingredients, my cake batter together so that I can go ahead and prepare my cakes for the oven. And I'm using 3 8-inch round cake tins, 2-inch thick. And I am just dividing this into 3 cake pans as equal as possible. So here you see me making my platform for my cake board. The theme is Jurassic Park, if you didn't know from the thumbnail, but it's Jurassic World or Jurassic Park, whatever you want to call it. If you guys seen the new movie, Jurassic World, The Fallen Kingdom, I think that's what it is, or Dominion something. I forgot what the new one is. But if you've seen the new movie, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and let me know how you like it, okay? Because I've seen it. I think it was pretty good. Jurassic Park and Avengers, Marvel and all that stuff, those are Fast and Furious. Those are my movies. Like, I don't care. I'm not a TV person, a movie person, but when it comes to those 3, I'm here for it, okay? So I had originally planned to put palm leaves on the back of the cake board to kind of give it like a, like a Jurassic, the jungle and the what is it? The trees and all of that stuff that they, the atmosphere that they live in. Right. So I bought those from Amazon, but then I went into Five Below one day and I seen this little board or whatever it is. I don't know what it's called, but I seen this. I think it was in a home living area for you can like decorate your living space. And I was just like, oh my goodness, this would be so perfect to put on the back of the cake board. I had a vision for this cake, but I just wasn't sure how it was going to come about. Like, I knew everything I wanted to put around the cake and on the cake board, but the cake itself, I was kind of like complexed about it. So I just kind of winged it, and right now I am just gluing I'm hot gluing the, whatever this thing is called. I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, please leave it in the comments below. But yeah, that was a piece that got chopped out again. The cake was not able to be recorded because I didn't have any memory. I am sorry. But I have plenty of videos on how to crumb coat and final coat and use acrylic discs on my YouTube channel. So here I'm just taking off my acrylic discs, and I find this way so much easier to get a clean sharp edge without a mess or messing up the top of your cake and having to put more buttercream or whatever icing that you choose to use. I feel like using the cling wrap on your acrylic disc is so much easier. Just look at my cake. So here I'm just decorating the cake at this point, and I'm trying to pretty much assess where I'm going to start putting my trees and my leaves and my little bushes and my little keepsake toys. Now people ask me all the time, why don't you make the objects from fondant or gum paste? Child, that's not for me. That is not for me, honey. I'm sorry. I cannot make nothing out of fondant. It's not going to look like the actual figure. Okay. It's going to be like what I asked for versus what I got. And I don't want that. Okay. So I'd rather just go ahead and upcharge them so that I can go ahead and purchase the actual toys that looks like the actual character. Now, here is a trick that you can do at a last minute pace. I've showed you guys this multiple times. If you do not want to pay for edible images, because they are expensive depending on where you live. Now here, I live in the DMV area, and an edible image is about $15 to $20 per page. I'm not paying that. I'm sorry. So what I did was I went over to my Staples and I printed out on photo paper and I taped the back of it. I cut it out to the shape and I stuck it onto my cake. Okay, bars, baby, bars. So this is the finished product of my Jurassic World cake. I hope you guys like it. I am so sorry that you couldn't see step by step, but the main project was to get. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you.